You get down. There's the boys playing, and Nathan and Owen. Say hi, Owen.
Hi.
Say hi, Evan. Can you give me a smile? You goofy.
Me.
Yeah?
Me.
I see you. Okay, go share. Can Owen get on there with you?
Nathan gets a kick out of when you take it and then you turn it on. Yeah, that is that first, but if you turn it around.
Okay, Owen, do you want on? Okay, now Evan, you get on too. Okay, hold on. There. 2 of you. Oops. One. Crazy kids. Are you turning it around, buddy? Here comes Owen. Evan, get down. They're for his leapfrog. Evan, get down. You're gonna hurt yourself. Whoa.